Hello and welcome to our video on pigeon breeding methods. Pigeon breeding is a popular hobby that requires careful planning and selection to produce healthy and high-quality pigeons. In this video, we will discuss the various methods used in pigeon breeding. Method 1. Pairing. The most basic method of breeding pigeons is pairing. It involves selecting two pigeons with desirable traits and pairing them to produce offspring. Pairs are usually chosen based on their physical appearance, racing ability, or other desirable characteristics. This method is ideal for beginners who are just starting with pigeon breeding. Method 2. Line breeding. Line breeding involves breeding pigeons within a family or line to maintain a certain genetic trait or characteristic. This method is used to improve a specific trait or to maintain the quality of a particular strain of pigeons. Line breeding requires a certain level of expertise and knowledge about genetics. Method 3. Crossbreeding. Crossbreeding involves mating pigeons of different breeds or strains to produce a hybrid offspring. This method is often used to introduce new genes and characteristics into a line, or to produce a pigeon with specific traits that are not present in the parent breeds. Crossbreeding requires careful selection and planning. Method 4. Inbreeding. Inbreeding involves mating closely related pigeons, such as siblings or parent offspring, to produce offspring that are genetically similar to the parents. This method is used to fix desirable traits in a line or to produce a pigeon that is homozygous for a particular gene. Inbreeding requires a high level of knowledge and expertise. Method 5. Selective breeding. Selective breeding involves selecting and breeding only the best pigeons based on their physical appearance, racing ability, or other desirable characteristics. This method is used to improve the overall quality of a line or strain over time. Selective breeding requires careful record-keeping and management of the breeding program. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are several methods of pigeon breeding, each with its advantages and disadvantages. It's important to note that pigeon breeding should only be undertaken by experienced breeders who have a thorough understanding of genetics and animal husbandry. Proper care and management of the birds are also critical for successful breeding. Thank you for watching this video on pigeon breeding methods.